In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a LinkedIn post on Hootsuite. Navigating through social media management can often feel like a complex dance, especially when you're managing multiple platforms and trying to ensure your content is both timely and relevant. Hootsuite is one of those tools designed to make this process smoother. However, there may come a time when a post scheduled for LinkedIn needs to be removed, whether it's because of a change in content strategy, an error in the post, or any other reason. It's important to know how to handle this efficiently. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Hootsuite website. You'll see the page's layout welcoming you, along with various navigation options. What you're looking for is the Login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the website. Clicking this will take you to the next stage of the process. Now you should be facing the Login dialog. Here's where you will input your Hootsuite credentials. Start by entering your email address, the one you used to register your Hootsuite account. Make sure to double check it for any typos. Small mistakes here can prevent you from accessing your account and managing your planned activities. The next step requires entering your password. Remember, your password is the key to your account, so keep it secure and confidential. Once you've entered your password, proceed by clicking the Sign In button. Patience is key. Give it a few seconds to log you into your dashboard. Welcome to your Hootsuite dashboard. This place might look a bit intimidating with all its different sections and options, but don't worry. You're only a few steps away from accomplishing what you came here for. Your next move is to click on Plan. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. It provides a clear overview of your content calendar, making it easier to manage what goes out and when. Depending on your preference, you may view your scheduled posts in different formats. For a weekly overview, click on the calendar _view _week option. This lets you see all your scheduled posts for the week, making it easier to identify which post needs adjusting or deleting. In the calendar, you'll notice a drop-down button. This is represented by keyboard _arrow _down. Clicking this reveals more detailed options for each scheduled post, enhancing your ability to manage them efficiently. Now locate the LinkedIn post you've decided to remove. Remember, it's always a good idea to review the post once more before deletion to ensure you're removing the correct content. This is crucial because once a post is deleted, it cannot be recovered. After selecting the post, look for the option to delete. This action requires confirmation, so take a moment to be sure that you want to proceed. Deleting a post should be a well-considered decision, considering your content strategy and the message you want to convey to your audience on LinkedIn. Once you confirm, the post will be removed from your schedule. It's that simple. However, it's always wise to give your content calendar a quick review after deleting a post. This ensures your content strategy remains uninterrupted and you can adjust any future posts accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated a Hootsuite to remove a LinkedIn post from your schedule. While we hope every post goes out as planned, knowing how to make adjustments is an essential skill in social media management. Remember, the key to successful social media management is not just in scheduling content, but also in being adaptable and responsive to changes. Whether it's modifying your content strategy, addressing an error, or simply changing your mind about a post, tools like Hootsuite are designed to make these processes as seamless as possible. We hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring our channel for more tips and tutorials to help you maximize your social media strategy. Until next time, keep your content fresh and your strategy flexible.